Hey everybody, thanks for watching. You are looking at our master bathroom. There's some light and you may be wondering, why on earth is there a big shop vacuum in there with a long hose? Well, I'll tell you. We have one of those combination right there. Let's see. Heat lamp / exhaust fan, extraction fan, and this happens. That's the fan. Now if you're real quiet, you can hear a hum going. So there's power going up there, and we now live in what is considered an older home. This is about 25 years old. I do need to paint the ceiling where we took out some old speakers because no one uses speakers in the house like that anymore. But I'm going to show you how to get the ceiling fan going again without going out and buying a brand new fan. And what has probably happened is it just over time, dust builds up. We have 4 fireplaces in this house too, and they build up ash and dust in the air. And try as we might, things get dusty, and there's probably an accumulation of dust. So let's go over here and climb up and take a peek. Okay, I'm going to peek to see. I think it's spring-loaded. And right away you can see around there, look at that accumulation of dust. And what dust does, besides physically blocking things, it works as a fairly effective insulator, which means the heat can't get off the mechanical stuff, and they may have a safety switch that shuts it off. So I'm going to put the camera on a tripod, and we will, yeah, there's a little squirrel cage right there. That's what moves the fan. It might be broke, but I think if we force air through it, we can blow it out. And what you might see out our window here is just a big cloud of dust coming. And actually, in addition to the vacuum cleaner, I do have a leaf blower ready to go. So let's get rid of the light bulb.
And undo this little trim piece with the springs and see what we can see.
Okay, the cover's off, and look at that thing. Can you say dust? So I'm going to use the shop vac first and suck all that dust out of there, clean it up, and we're going to secondly see if we can get the squirrel cage to move again. Yep, let's clean it up. All right, I tested it. It did not work. So now I'm going to go full Bill Murray Caddyshack clean mode and use an outside leaf blower inside the house. And this will work as long as none of you tell my wife. So that's the deal. I'm going to put it right in the squirrel cage, kind of close my eyes and press. Well, that was spinning pretty fast. There's dust all over the floor. Did you hear that? So, sorry for the messy. The old Bill Murray leaf blower in the house trick works. I'm going to turn off the fan again. Turn it on again. And I'm going to use the leaf blower one more time to make sure we get everything out we can. So I love it when a plan comes together, and that probably saved us, depending on what sort of fan you buy to replace an old one that doesn't work, saved us between $50 and $200. And I like doing that. That's kind of what I do. So now we just got to button it up and put the light bulb back in, and my wife will be happy, and so will I. Hey, if this helped you out, consider hitting subscribe and help me out. Thanks for watching.